Hi friends, Miss Sabrina here. Okay, so today we're going to do a science experiment with sound and water. So, first thing you need is 4 glasses or jars that are empty. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have some chopsticks here, and you can use anything you want, but chopsticks will work. And listen to this, check this out. It makes noise, isn't that cool? Okay, so part of the experiment, we must notice, do they all the glasses sound the same or do they sound different? Let's find out. Okay, here's glass number 1. Put it on the side. Okay, number 2. Those sound the same to me. Okay, let's see number 3. Same, sounds the same. Number 4, last one. They all sound the same when you hit them when they're empty. So now I have some very orange water. I'm going to pour a little bit in this glass and we'll see what happens. Okay, so when we hit them, so we'll start with this one, number 4. Okay, those still sound the same. Okay, now what happens when we hit the one with some water in it? Ooh, actually, those sound pretty close. Maybe it doesn't have enough water in it. Okay, let's try adding some water to the next glass. I'll put a little bit more in this one. There we go. See the difference? This one has a little bit, this one has some more. So let's see. So an empty glass. Okay, a glass with a little bit. Those sound pretty close to the same. And we have a glass that's mostly, about half full. Ooh, it's lower, isn't it? It's not quite as loud. Okay, let's try this one. Put more in this one. Let's use the rest of that. Okay, here, we'll put them like this. Rearrange them a little bit. Okay, empty glass. Little bit. It's a little bit higher pitch. Listen. It's a little bit louder. Then we got this one. It's about half full. A little bit lower. Ooh, that one's really low, huh? Let's listen to that one again. Pretty cool. Okay, here, I'm going to add just a little bit more. Maybe we can get a little bit more of a difference. Okay, empty. Little bit more, about half. And a full glass. You see it goes low? You can make music with glasses. Ready? Isn't that fun? Okay, so how this works is the air inside the cup, if it's empty, when it's empty or it's just got a little bit, the glass vibrates like this. It shakes like this, and that's what we hear as noise. It shakes the air inside, and that's what we hear as noise. So when it's empty and when it just has a little bit, it's higher because it's shaking more air for us to hear. And then when it has a little bit more, there's less air. And when it's almost full, there's even less air for it to shake and vibrate. And that's why we hear it as a low pitch. So this is a really fun one. You guys can do at home. You could do more glasses, less glasses, more water. Here, let's see what happens if we fill one all the way up. Oh gosh. There we go. Okay, it's really full. Let's put it in there. Okay, here we go. Little bit more. Whoa, that's really low. Okay, maybe we can play a song. Isn't that fun? An instrument from stuff from your kitchen. And you don't have to use colored water. I just thought it'd be easier for you guys to see. Okay, well that's our experiment. Bye, friends!